Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss Robinson annulation reaction. Robinson annulation reaction is nothing but the reaction of a cyclic ketone with a methyl vinyl ketone resulting in a ring closure to yield a bicyclic alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Is called the Robinson annulation reaction. This reaction has found wide applications in the synthesis of terpenes and especially of steroids. Mechanistically, the Robinson annulation consists of two consecutive reactions, that is a Michael addition followed by an aldol reaction. The term annulation means ring formation. Sir Robert Robinson discovered this technique while trying to determine the chemical reaction that lead to the preparation of alkaloids in plants. This is Robinson annulation reaction. The success of this process of annulation has been attributed to the presence of various reactive sites in the substrate, and this is the Michael acceptor, one enolizable group here which should be enolized twice, and this is the one enolizable diketone, one enolizable group here, one carbonyl group ready to undergo condensation. Next we will discuss the mechanism of Robinson annulation reaction. In the first step, the diketone forms a stable enolate. The conjugate addition of enolate to the enone, that is Michael acceptor, result in the formation of a triketone in a Michael addition. The triketone now enolizes once again to induce intramolecular cyclization through aldol condensation. Finally, dehydration takes place again through enolate formation, and final product is arrived.
Ketones can also be used in place of diketone. Ketoesters can be used in place of diketone as they give stable enolate.
Robinson annulation has been performed with many substrates, and the classic Michael acceptor, the methyl vinyl ketone. Here is an example where the diketone is a 5-membered ring. Next, applications of Robinson annulation reaction. Roots of Vetiveria gaejoniides, a robust grass as tall as human in a native to Indian subcontinent. When steam distilled, give vetiver oil. Vetiver oil is used in luxury perfumes, contains about 10% of alpha and beta vetinones. Synthesis of alpha vetinone involves Robinson annulation. Thank you.